and welcome. Today we're going to be making some white chocolate and cranberry festive pancakes. So what you're going to need is some self-raising flour, some whole milk, some baking powder, some vanilla essence with maple syrup, some dried cranberries, you can get them, some unsalted butter, eggs and some good quality white chocolate. And so let's make the pancakes. Right, so just magically like that, I've got all the ingredients sorted out, ready and easy for me to use. So I'm just going to put the 200 grams of self-raising in a bowl, followed by the baking powder, and then a good crack of salt. I'm going to give that a really good mix around. Basically, I forgot to put the footage in of putting the milk in, but all you've done is put the milk in. So then butter, melted butter, and give it a really good mix around. Now at this stage you want to add your dried cranberries and your white chocolate, and you're going to want to give that a really good thorough mix. And while this is happening, have a pan at a medium heat with a little bit of oil going on. So what you want to do is you want to get about 2 tablespoons per pancake. Try and get as much of the filling as possible on. This view might show you a little better, but just 2 tablespoons and the pancake will flatten itself out. You want to cook those for about 3 or 4 minutes until they kind of look like this and bubbles start forming around the edges. So you want to give them a good flip, and you're looking for a nice golden brown. And yeah, just basically do it in batches and put some tin foil over the ones you've done to keep warm, and well, you should be looking at some really nice pancakes.